Good morning, BNI. I am Chetan Garg representing my firm Kamla Furnishing. We deal into all kinds of home furnishing products like curtains, wallpapers, blinds, upholstery fabrics, bed linen, bath linen, carpets, rugs, and many more. Let us have a look at one of our projects or homes that we have completed, and let's have a tour with that. Home is just not a place, it's a feeling. Let's now have a look of tour of this living room where we'll show you how home furnishing products helps in making your home more beautiful. As you can see that this is a dark color room which is a brown color. So we have added a light color curtains which brings more brightness to this room. There are two types of curtains mainly. One is called the sheer curtain or the net curtains, and the second is the main curtains. The sheer curtain is drawn during the day if you want the sunlight to pass through this. As you can see that the sunlight is coming inside, and this is the main curtain which blocks the sunlight view. There are different types of curtain fabrics like linen, jacquard, velvet, and many more. This is a polyester satin finish curtain fabric, and you can see that how this fall of the curtain has come up. Now we'll come with the sofa. As you can see that this is a sofa of cream color. So in order to protect that sofa from getting stained or dirty, we have made this sofa covers with the upholstery fabrics which is more durable and long lasting. Now these customized cushions also add a different look and color combination to this living room. You can see that this is a digital print bedsheet which gives a pop of color to this living room. Another example of how curtains can make and break the look of your room. We are showing you the contrasting colors of curtains with a blue and a white theme color curtains which matches with the dining area which of the chairs blue color. As you can see that here also we have used two types of curtains. One is the sheer curtain and one is the main curtain. The sheer curtains, this is the linen curtains which have embroidered fabric and embroidered a theme which is a blue color, and for that we have matched with the main curtains as a blue color theme plain curtain. As we move along the staircase, we'll show you our exclusive designer wallpaper collection which we have pasted on this wall and given an enhanced look. As you can see, this is one of the kind of wallpaper which is embroidered and has a thread work in it. This gives you a very different look. As we move along to other rooms, we'll also show you more of kind of wallpapers. Let's show you another example of wallpaper in this room. This is a printed wallpaper showing the roadside view, light color wallpaper which gives a different look for this room. Also, this is a high quality textured shaggy rug, bedside runner, which you can get at a very nominal range. Now taking you to the bedsheet part. This is an exclusive hand painted bedsheet which is not available in the general market, but you will find it at Kamla Furnishing very easily. Now let's show you one of the major product which are outdoor furniture fabrics which are used mainly in the swimming pool areas and the outside areas which can be kept open to the sky. These are the outdoor furniture fabrics for which cushions can be made or anything upholstery can be made. The main feature of this product that it does not absorb water, and this is waterproof and can easily be washable. You can check. These are it does not absorb water. Now let's talk about blinds. This is our blinds gallery. Here I'll show you all different kinds of blinds. This is a roller blind. It can be in any color, plain, design, any design. There are numerous designs in this roller blinds. This is a honeycomb blind. It becomes like a honeycomb. This is a honeycomb blinds. Then this is a wooden blinds. This has a customized Ganeshji print. Any design can be printed on the wooden blinds as well. These are wooden blinds. Now this is a customized roller blind. Any design can be done on any of the blinds. These are customized print. Any type of your prints can be done on any type of roller blinds. This is a vertical blind. These are mainly used in offices. These blinds are used mainly for the offices and are very cheap. And this is a zebra blinds. These are called zebra blinds. These are mainly used for the residential and home purposes. This gives a very beautiful look for decorating your home. This is a double roller blind, which means front it has a sheer and back it has a blackout. front part, which has a sheer design, and the back, this is a plain roller blinds. So it's called a double roller blind. These are the bed back designs. These are small swatches of the bed back designs, and these are the upholstery fabrics which can be used for any of these bed back designs. We have displayed few of the designs, and there are numerous designs which can be done for the bed back. The summary of the designs are like this, and there are different types of upholstery fabrics like leather, suede, then embossed, velvet, and which any of these fabrics can be used for any of the bed back designs. Let's now talk regarding an important product in our daily life, towels, which are used regularly from morning to evening. Few of our towels are like hand towels, bath towels, pool towels, bath mats. These are few of the products of towels which can be used as a gifting purposes for any gifts like marriage gifts or any other gifts if you want. There are different designs and qualities of towels like plain towels, printed towels, jacquard towels, embroidery towels. You'll get all those of varieties. Now coming to the different section, the carpets and the rug section. We also deal in wall-to-wall carpets and room rugs. These are few of our catalogs of wall-to-wall carpets which can be used for banquet purposes or for personal rooms or offices. You will get in different designs and qualities. If you want in printed or tufted or shadi type, you will get all those types of catalogs. As you can see behind me that these are numerous folders, nothing but the catalogs of all the products we deal in, like wallpapers. These are the all wallpapers catalogs. These are all the curtains and the upholstery catalogs of different brands from India and imported as well. Coming to the companies, we deal in major of the branded companies from India like D Decor, Disitex, New Home, Floor and Furnishing, Divine, Flooring India, Excel Wallpapers, NGC, and many more. We at Kamla Furnishing try to do our best to deliver according to customer standards. Now let us hear from some of our prestigious clients what they have to say regarding our firm.
Friends, this is a blind which I have got from Kamla Furnishing Chetan Garg. Very good color, very good design, very good pricing. He has more than 100 shades in it. I strongly vouch for him.
Thank you Kamla Furnishing for adding this beautiful element, this wall fabric for my store.
I would like to thank Kamla Furnishing for adding these beautiful curtains which matches my room furnitures perfectly.